To install the new Issues plugin into your Revit 2020 or Revit 2021, use your desktop app to find your updates. Simply navigate in your bottom right hand of your desktop screen, go to the Revit tab, and under the list of updates you should see Issues add-on for Revit, and Revit 2021 is also an additional one which I've installed. Then just click Update. That will install on your chosen version of Revit. Once you've done that, after a few seconds, open up your version of Revit and then go to your BIM360 tab on the left hand side. Open up your model or your particular Revit model that you want to place an issue on inside BIM360. So we're just going to open that one up. So I have it open here in the background already. Now I'm going to navigate to my BIM360 account to the same model. I'm going to click on that model. So I'm going to go into a particular view. I'm just going to navigate into this view. I'm now going to go to the Issues tab, Create Issue. I'm just going to navigate around this particular model. I'm going to place a note on maybe part of this particular building. So what I'm going to do is go in here as the designer, and I'm just going to ask the architect to place a door opening within this particular wall. So I'm just going to drop down, request model info as a category or template. I'm going to assign it to the architect, choose date, 2 or 3 days, location, I can put in a location, we'll just say plant room. Owner, we'll make the owner the BIM manager. Documentation is not incomplete. Design coordination, we'll just say design coordination. And lots of different options that we can actually select in here as well. It's called design coordination. Place door plant room. Let's say 1000 mil wide. Create. Hit that issue. Now the architect will then receive a notification that they have a issue assigned against them, which is this particular issue. Now we're going to go into our model. As the architect, we're going to refresh our issues in our tab. So you will actually find issues once you install it, just to be clear. Go to issues, it will be towards the end of your toolbar. Just go to manage issues. It will then pop up on the right hand side. It will bring up any issues, or you just hit the refresh button. It will then show you those issues. All you do now is just navigate to those particular issues. It will pull up that issue, showing you any of the information attached to it, such as the owner, the root cause, and the description, most importantly. And you can also then use the activity log if you want to maybe put a response back to, you could assign to the structural engineer, for example. So you might want to assign to the structural engineer, please confirm door open is okay to install here. So we can communicate with other consultants on the project, and we can go about also then installing that door if we want while we're waiting for a confirmation. Place a door, only one door type in the project, so you could load more projects in, or more project information in, more project objects or families. So the J or BIM will now receive a notification just to make sure that that's okay. They can then log into their BIM360 and input a response if they wish to as well. So we can go into this particular one and see the activity log, and then the architect or designer can also put in a response here as well. So it's quite a two-way collaboration method as well, to be able to communicate with team members and other consultants on the team. So that's a live way of connecting with your team directly in Revit by using the new Manage Issues feature.